Hi. Good afternoon. Hello. Uh, there's no one answering, teacher. Hello, student. Meet Sapat. Oh, oh, oh. Mine is oh. Oh. Hello, Hi, Are you there? Are you there? Open your mic, please. Open your mic. Hello. Open your mic,
โปรดเปิดไมโครโฟนและกล้องของคุณ โปรดเปิดไมโครโฟนและกล้องของคุณ
Yeah. Please open your camera and phone. One more student. All right. Hello. Open your camera and your phone, students.
โปรดเปิดไมโครโฟนและกล้องของคุณ
แล้วค่ะ
Open your mic. Open your camera.
โอเค
All right. Open your camera,
มีคนเข้าแค่สามคน
Oh.
น้ำขิงท่านถ่ายหน่อยเลย
All right. Okay. Now let's start. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, teacher. Nice to meet you.
อยู่
Again, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, teacher. Nice
ทู
to
มี
meet you.
อยู่
Okay, very good. Now, how are you today? How are you today? You say, I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Okay, again. How are you today? Speak.
พูด
I'm good, very good. I'm
ไปเบ
great, very good. I'm
ว่าอะไรวะ
wonderful.
I want to พูด
Okay, very good. Now, what day is it today? Again, what day is it today? You say, today is Monday.
มันเด็ก
Again,
มันเด็ก today
today is Monday.
today is Monday
Very good. Again, you read this one. Today is Monday.
Monday
Okay, let's spell the word Monday.
Monday
M
M M
O
O
N
N
D
D
A
A
Y.
Y
Monday.
Monday.
Okay. What month? What month? You say it is April. Again, it is April.
It is April.
Very good. Again, it is April. Okay, let's spell the word April. A P R I L. April. Very good. Now, what year? What year? You say it is 2026. Okay. It is 2026. Very good. Now, hands up, hands forward, hands sideward, hands down. Okay, what is this again? Hands up, very good. What is this? Hands forward, very good. What is this? Hands sideward, very good. Again, what is this? What is this? Hands down, very good. Good job, student. Show me your book.
Your book.
Okay.
Your book.
Show me your book.
Your book.
Okay, now
Enos book.
book. Very good. And again, what is this?
Book.
Book. Very good. Now, if teacher will open this book, how do we call this one? Open
Your book.
your book. Very good. Again,
Open your book.
very good. If teacher will close this one, what do you call it?
Close your book.
Very good. Close your book. Now, okay. Now let's sing a song before we start reviewing our lesson. Okay. All right. Can you see the screen? I'm not allowed to share. I don't know why. Okay. You can allow me to share. Oh, yeah. Okay. Do you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes, I see.
Oh, very good. Yes, I see it. Okay. Now we sing as we review the previous song. Stand up, sit down. Okay. You speak with me first, right? Stand up,
Stand up.
sit down.
Sit down.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
May I come in?
May I come in?
May I go out?
May I go out?
Clap your hands.
Stop your hands.
Very good. Clap your hands.
Stop your hands.
Very good. Open your book.
Open your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Go to the board.
Go to the board.
Go back to your seat.
Go back to your seat.
Make a line.
Make a line.
Make a line.
Make a line.
Okay, now let's sing a song. Stand up, sit down, ready, sing. Stand up, sit down. Stand up, sit down. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. May I come in? May I go out? Clap your hands. Clap your hands again. Stand up, sit down. Stand up, sit down. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. May I come in? May I go out? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Open your book. Open your book. Close your book. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Go to the board. Go back to your seat. Make a line. Make a line again. Open your book. Close your book. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Go to the board. Go back to your seat. Make a line. Make a line. Okay. Now let's review. Uh, okay, look at teacher. What? What is this?
Hand.
Yeah.
Left. Right.
Left, right. Very good. But raise your hand. Again.
With your hand.
Raise your hand.
With your hand.
Okay, very
Right
good.
your hands.
What is this?
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Very good. What is this?
Go back. I go left. Go left.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. May I come in?
May I come in?
Again. May I come in?
May I come in?
Very good. What is this?
May I go out?
Very good. May I go out? Okay, next. What is this?
Open your book. Open your book.
Very good. How about this one?
Close your book.
Very good. Close your book. How about this one?
Go to the boy.
Very good. Go to the board. How about this one?
Go back to your seat.
Very good. Go back to your seat. This one.
Make a line.
Make a line. Yay! Very good. Teacher is so proud of you. All right. Now this afternoon, okay. Let's review our. Let's review our vocabulary. Okay. Our vocabulary this morning is, do you remember the root? Ru? No.
Nose. No.
Again. Ru? No.
You know.
Need? Think.
Leave. Yes. Leave.
Need? Think.
Risky.
Very good. Say, I put, say.
Is a food.
Very good. Put, say.
Food.
Very good. Bok, tell.
Food. Sun.
Bok, tell.
Food. Sun.
Very good. So, call
โถ
ชอ call
โถ
รอ wait
โลเว
very good รอ wait
โลเว
หยุด stop
ยูสต็อป
หยุด stop
ยูสต็อป
right let's go back from the start what is this in English
นกยู
no very good again
ยูนก
ro no okay what is this need
ลิดดีดลิด
think very good again
ลีส
think very good this one put
เซฟ
say very good okay again
เซฟ
say very good walk walk tell
ก็แอน
again tell
เต้า
very good show
เต้า
what is
ค
English
อน
of show
คอน
call very good again
คอน
call very good what is this raw come on you can do it raw
ฮัลโหลพี่ไอ
wait you forgot again raw
เวท
wait very good youth
ตอบ
start very good bird
โอเปนยูบุก
open very good you completed it very good bird open very good all right feet
เปิดยูบุก
close very good clap push
บุก
again push
ลักบุก
again clap push
ลักพุช
very good ดึง pull
ดึงพูด
ดึง pull
พูด
all right again clap push push push
พูด
push very good again clap
บูด
push very good ดึง
พูด
pull all right push pull again push
พูด
pull
พูด
all right pull
พูด
very good now again pluck
ลัก
what is English of pluck
พูด
push very good ดึง
พูด
pull very good now ขึ้นit's correct teacher up ขึ้น this one ขึ้นup ขึ้น
ขึ้น
up
อัพ
again ขึ้น up
อัพ
very good long down
ดาว
again ขึ้น
อัพ
very good long
ดาว
down ขึ้น
อัพ
long
ดาว
very good 9 in
อีด
กังนก out
กำนกเอา
alright 9
มีด
in very good กังนก
เอา
out
เอา
out
ไม่นั่งไม่เห็น
alright again 9 in
อีส
กังนก
อ้าว
out very good again 9
อีด
in กังนก
อ้าว
out very good ขึ้น
อัพ
Very good. Long.
Down.
Down. Very good. Pluck.
Push.
Push. Very good. What is this? Down.
Pull.
Pull. Very good. Perk.
Open your book.
Very good. Close.
Close your book.
Sorry. Repeat.
Hold.
Oh, close. All right. All right. Now, today, this afternoon, students, we will do.
BB2.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
You see.
You see?
You see. You see.
Yeah? All right. You read. Okay. Now, please read my external.
Stand up.
Again, this one, look at the screen. My
My
external,
center
external
is external
body parts
body plot
and their
and the
functions.
cushion
Okay. External
external
means outside. See here. External.
external
Internal.
this
In.
is
External.
out
Out. Very good. Internal. In or
Yes.
nine. External.
out
Out or count. So we study outside the body and their functions or uses. All right. My outside body parts and uses. Okay. Now, please read. Okay, the first number one. Read. What is this? Look at the screen. What is number one?
hello
Head. Please look at the screen.
head
Head. Very good. Number one is head. Number two. Number two.
number
Please read.
2 and this one
Eyes. Okay, again. Number two. Eyes. Next, ear.
ear
Very good. What is this? Number four.
nose
Nose. Very good. Number five.
mouth
Mouth. Very good. Number six. Arms. Very good. Number seven.
hand
Hands. Very good. Number eight. Ani alay?
leg
Legs. Very good. This one. What is that? Oh, I have copy here. Yeah. Sorry. What is this?
feet
Feet. Okay. Now, please read. Yeah. Number one, please read. What
was
is
is
this?
was
Okay, again. What
was
is
is
this?
this
Okay. You say, this is my.
this is my
I use it too.
I
eat two.
Very good. Number 2, please read. What
Was
are
I
these?
did
These are my.
this
this
my
I use them too.
I use and two.
Very good. Now, teacher will do like this sample, huh? This is my. This is
mau
my. You say.
mau
Okay. If teacher will show like this, you do like you say. This is my mouth. Okay. Again.
this is my mouth
This is my mouth.
Very good. This one.
this is my
This
hand
is my home.
This is my hair. Very good. This one.
This is my nose.
This is my nose. Very good. Oh, you remember these are?
these are my arms
Very good. These are my arms. This one.
these are my
This is
feet
my feet.
These are my feet. Very good. This one.
these are
And my eyes.
These are my eyes. Very good.
my ear
These are my ears.
These are my ear. Very good.
These are my
legs
Legs. These are my legs. Very good. Now, this one.
this is
is my
my head
Head. This is my head. Now, teacher will hide this one. Only this one. You say the word and sentence. Okay? What is this?
this is my mouth
mouth.
Very good. This is my mouth. What is this?
this is my
This is
hair
my home.
This is my hair. Very good. What is this?
this is my
This is
nose
my
This
nose.
is my nose. What is this? What are these?
these are my arms
These are my arms. Very good. What are these?
these are my feet
These are my feet. Very good. What are these?
These are my eyes.
These are my eyes. Very good. What are these?
These are my ears.
These are my ears. Very good. What are these?
these
These
are my
are my legs.
These
leg
are my legs. What is this?
This is my heart.
This is my head. Very good. All right. Now, let's proceed. All right. Okay. Let's proceed to the uses of the head. Okay. Head. Sorry. Do you see the screen? Head.
Yes.
head
Head.
head
Okay. Let's read the number 1.
Head.
Head.
head
H. Let's spell.
Is
H.
H
E.
U
A.
H
D.
B
Head.
has
Okay. What is the function of the head? Please read. It holds
to
the
the
brain
brain
and face.
and weight.
Again, it holds the brain and face. Again, brain and face.
And this
Very good. Okay, number 2. What is eyes?
I
Okay, let the word eyes. E.
E
Next, Y.
Y
E.
E
S.
S
Eyes.
I
Okay, what is the function of eyes? Please read and it
V
helps us
has I
see.
see
Again, it helps us see.
it of my see
Very good. Number 3. What is
Nose.
this? Nose. Very good. let's spell the word nose. N
N
O
O
S
S
E.
E.
Nose.
Nose
Okay, what is the function of the nose? Please read.
is
It helps.
L
What is this? Us
R
smell
smell
and
and
breathe.
breathe.
Okay. Smell and breathe. Smell and breathe. Okay,
and read.
very good. Now, let's proceed to the next slide. All right, what is this?
Ear.
Ear. Very good. Now, let's spell the word ear. E
Ear. E.
A.
A.
What's next?
R.
R. Very good. Ear.
Ear.
Very good. Now, what is the function of ear?
Is
It. Very good. What is this? Helps
L
us
R
hear.
E.
Very good. It helps us hear. Now, next, number 5. What is this?
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. Now,
M.
let's spell the word mouth.
M
And very good.
O
O
O. Very good.
U
U
U. Very good.
T
F
T. Very good.
Head
H. Now, let's read. Mouth.
Mouth
mouth
All right. Very good. Now, what is the function of mouth? It
is
helps
help
us
R
eat,
eat
E
speak,
Speak
and
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 eat.
Heat
drink. Very good. Eat, speak, drink. Again. Eat,
Peace
speak,
Space
drink.
D
Mouth.
Mouth
Very good.
Wow.
Number 6. What is this? Arms. Very good. Now, let's spell the word arms.
A
A. Very good.
R
R. Very good.
M
And very good.
S
S. Very good. What is this? Arms. Very good. Now, what is the function of arms? It helps
is hand
us lift
Lift
and
and
carry
carry
things.
big
Very good. Lift,
lift
carry
carry
things.
big
Arms.
and
Very good. Now, what is number 7? What is this?
hand
Hands. Very good. Now, let's spell the word hands.
hand
A. Very
head
good. Next.
N
A. Very good.
N
N. Very good.
D
D. Very good.
S
S. Again, what is this?
hand
Hands. Very good. Now, what is the function or what is the uses of hands? It helps
is has air
us hold,
whose
grip,
grip
and touch.
and test
Very good. Again, hold,
whose
grip,
grip
and touch.
and test
Hands.
hand
Very good. Now, next. What is it?
Leg
Legs. Very good. Again,
Leg.
Legs. Now let's spell the word legs. L,
L.
very good.
E.
E, very good.
G.
G, very good.
S.
S, very loud. Let's read.
Leg.
Legs, very good. Now what is the function of legs? It helps
Has.
us
Us.
walk,
Walk.
run,
Run.
jump.
And jump.
Again, walk,
Walk.
run,
Run.
and jump.
And jump.
Legs.
Leg.
Very good. Now, number 9. What is this?
Chin.
What?
Chin.
Chin, feet. Look at that. All
Foot.
right. Look at the screen. What is that? What is this?
Foot. Foot.
Foot, very good. But you remember? Foot, only one. Foot. When it's two, feet. Again. Foot, feet.
Foot.
Okay, this one again.
Chin.
Foot. When it's two, feet.
Chin.
Very good. Foot, feet.
Foot. Chin.
Very good. Okay. What is that? Feet.
Chin.
Okay, now let's spell the word feet. F.
S.
Next.
Next.
E.
E.
Next. E. T.
T.
Again. F.
M.
E.
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 T.
T.
Feet.
T.
Very good. Now, what is the function of feet? It helps us stand and balance. Okay. Stand and balance. Again. Stand and balance. Feet. Very good. Now, okay, let's review everything. Okay? Head
Heads.
holds brain.
All legs.
Holds brain.
All legs.
Eyes
I.
see.
Teeth.
Eyes
I.
see.
This.
Nose
Nose.
smell.
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 Ear
Ear.
hear.
Ear.
Very good. Mouth
Mouth.
eat.
Ears.
Very good. Arms lift.
Ears.
Hands
Hand.
grip.
Wrist.
Grip.
Grip.
Very good. Legs
Leg.
legs.
Leg.
Walk. Very good. Again. Legs.
Wow. Leg.
Walk. Again. Walk.
Wow.
Very good. Now, feet.
Teeth.
Stand. Again, feet.
Teeth.
Stand.
Stand.
All right. Now, again, teacher will say holds brain. You say head. For example, holds brain. Head. See. Eyes. Smell.
Hand.
Head. Very good. See.
Eye.
Eyes. Very good. Smell.
Nose.
Nose. Hear.
Ear.
Hear.
Ear.
Ear. Very good. Eat.
Mouth.
Mouth. Lift.
Arm.
Arms. Very good. Grip.
Hand.
Hands. Very good. Walk.
Legs.
Legs. Stand.
Wing.
Feet. Very good. Okay.
ต้องทำไม
Okay, again. Okay, now teacher will say head and you say whole brain. For example, head, whole brain,
Yes.
eyes, see,
Sis.
nose, smell, ear, hear, mouth, eat, arms, lift, hands, grip, legs, walk, feet, stand. Okay? Head,
Head. Red.
whole brain. Very good. Again, head,
Blade.
whole brain. Very good. Eyes, see. Again, what is this? Feel.
See.
Very good. Nose.
no
Anirai, what is this? Smell.
Sir.
Very good. Ear.
Here.
Ear. Very good. Mouth.
Eve.
Eat. Very good. Arms. What is this? Lift.
เห็นอ่ะ
Again, lift.
Read.
Very good. Hands. What is this?
No.
Grip.
Keep it on. Read.
Again, grip.
Read.
Again, grip.
Grip.
Very good. Legs.
Walk.
Walk. Very good. Feet.
Read.
Anirai.
This.
Feet. Stand. Okay, again. Let's review again. Head. Holds brain. We do like this. Head. Holds brain.
This.
Introduction with teacher. Okay, may I see your hand? You copy what teachers did. Okay. For example, head holds brain. Head holds brain. Eyes see. Nose smell. Okay. Again. Head
Please.
holds brain. Very good. Eyes
Well.
see.
See.
Very good. Nose.
Sir.
Ear.
Ears.
Ear. Very good. Mouth.
Ears.
Head. Very good. Arms.
Right.
Lift. Very
Read.
good. Hands.
Yeah.
What is this? Grip.
Ears.
Grip.
Read.
Grip.
Read.
Very good. Legs.
เล่น
Warm.
Legs.
Warm.
Walk. Walk. Very good.
Warm.
Feet.
Ears.
Stand.
Stand.
Okay, stand.
Stand.
All right. Okay. Okay, this is my okay, this is my Number one, this is my blank. I use it to blank. Okay, for example, this is my
This
10.
is 10.
Very good. I use it to
I
hold
use it
spring.
to all bliss.
Very good. Again, what is this? This is my
10.
10. I use it to, again, I use it to
I use it to
hold spring.
All bliss.
Very good. Now,
รู้เรื่องไหมน่ะฮะรู้เรื่องว่า
okay, what is this? This is my,
Nose.
oh, you say, this is my nose. 1, 2, 3, gang.
This is my nose.
Nose. I use it to
I use it to
smell.
eat.
Smell.
Smell.
Smell. Very good. Next. Now, do you know that these are my
These are my
ยึดเอามา
eye.
คนนี้
eyes. Again, these are my
These are my eye.
eyes. I use them to
I use it to
see. Again, see.
see.
Very good.
See.
Again, these are my eyes.
These are my eyes.
I use them to
I use to see.
see. Very good boy. Good job. All right. This one.
This is my
These are
ears.
are. Right.
ยึดเอามา
Remember,
Ear.
these
Ear.
are. Again, these are my
These are my ear.
ears. Very good. I use them to
I use this to listen.
listen. Very good. Oh, very good. To listen or hear. All right. Very good. Next, what is this? These are
These are my feet.
feet. Very good. I use them to.
I use it to
What is this?
jump.
Stand.
Stand.
Very good. Now this one. These are my
These are my arms.
arms. I use them to
I use this to roll,
lift.
breathe.
Lift. Very good. Now, what is this? These are my
These are my legs.
legs. I use them to
I use this to walk.
walk. Very good. Now, again, this one.
This is my mouth.
This is my mouth. Very good. I use it to
I use it to eat.
eat. Very good. Good job, students. Now, let's go review everything. Okay, let's sing a song for this one. I have my head. All right, we sing a song. I have my head. It holds my brain. I have my head. It holds my brain. I have my head. It holds my brain. Keep my head. It holds my brain. It holds my brain. I have my head. It holds my brain. It holds my brain. I have my head. Eyes. Have my eyes.
As
I
I
use to see. It helps me see. I have my eyes. It
His
helps me see.
mercy.
I have my eyes.
His mercy.
He made my eyes. It helps me see. It helps me see. I have my eyes. It helps me see. It helps me see. I have my eyes. Nose. I have my nose. It helps me smell. I have my nose. It helps me smell. Have my nose. It helps me smell. He made my nose. It helps me smell. It helps me smell. I have a nose. It helps me smell. I have my nose. Ear. Have my ear. It helps me hear. I have my ear. It helps me hear. I have my ear. It helps me hear. He made my ear. It helps me hear. It helps me hear. It helps me hear. I have my ear. It helps me hear. It helps me hear. I have my ear. Mouth. I have my mouth. It helps me eat. I have my mouth. It helps me eat. I have my mouth. It helps me eat. He made my mouth. It helps me eat. It helps me eat. It helps me eat. I have my mouth. It helps me eat. It helps me eat. I have my mouth. Arms. I have my arms. It helps me lift. I have my arms. It helps me lift. I have my arms. It helps me lift. He made my arms. It helps me lift. It helps me lift. It helps me lift. I have my arms. It helps me lift. It helps me lift. I have my arms. Hands. I have my hands. It helps me grip. I have my hands. It helps me grip. I have my hands. It helps me grip. He made my hands. It helps me grip. It helps me grip. It helps me grip. I have my hands. It helps me grip. It helps me grip. Helps me grip. I have my hands. I have my legs. I have my legs. It helps me walk. I have my legs. It helps me walk. I have my legs. It helps me walk. He made my legs. It helps me walk. It helps me walk. I have my legs. It helps me walk. It helps me walk. I have my legs. Feet. I have my feet. It helps me stand. I have my feet. It helps me stand. I have my feet. It helps me stand. He made my feet. It helps me stand. It helps me stand. It helps me stand. I my feet. It helps me stand. It helps me stand. I have my feet. Okay, feet. Stand. Arms. Lift. Mouth.
มันถึงที่ไหน
อันนี้เหรอ
Ear. Ear.
จะได้ไป
Nose.
อะไร จะได้ขี่รถ
Smell.
ไป
Eyes. See. Head. Holds brain. Legs. Walk. Okay, that's the end of our lesson this afternoon. Bye bye, students. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.